Here's the finished print. It is, of course, a two-part print. It turned out really clean. I printed it in PLA at 100% infill. Didn't take too long. It was well worth the time. It basically snaps into place right here. The two parts push into the hole, the provided hole right there, and it has a springy action. It's pretty nice. It actually has a pretty good spring to it. You basically latch it on to whatever you need it for, and it will do what it's supposed to do. So there you go. It prints really clean, and I may do more in different colors because it works so well.